Welcome to another Aster tutorial. Today, we'll cover how to create and send invoices, customize them, record payments and tax deductions, set up recurring invoices, and write off invoices. To create an invoice, go to the Invoices section. Click New Invoice, then start filling in the invoice details. First, choose an existing customer or add a new one. Fill in their details and save. Next, select a payment bank account or add a new one. Enter the account details to verify the account name, then save. Add a brief description of the invoice. Finally, enter the invoice item details. Choose from your existing products or create a new one by adding the product name, category, price, and tax details, then save. When you're ready, select Save and Send to preview the invoice before sending it. You can send the invoice via email or WhatsApp, pick whichever works best for you. Edit the message title and body if needed, then review the preview before sending it out. After creating an invoice, you can see a preview by selecting it from the Invoice History page. You can customize your invoices with your business logo and extra information fields. To add a logo, go to the Admin section, upload your logo, and save. To add new fields, go to the Invoice Configuration tab, select Add New Field, fill in the details, and save. You can add as many fields as you need. Your invoices will now display your logo and any additional fields you added. In the Transactions tab, you can see the history of all transactions recorded for the invoice. To record a new payment, click Record Payment, enter the amount, and confirm. You can also send a receipt to your customer by email or WhatsApp, editing the message as needed. Review the receipt preview and send it when you're ready. Additionally, you can add any withholding tax or VAT reductions made by the customer. Due to the added simplicity it provides, payment links are the recommended way to collect payments with Aster. If your customers pay through your invoice payment links, their payments and any tax deductions are automatically recorded. Use the Recurrence tab to set up an invoice to be automatically recreated and sent on a schedule. Choose a preset schedule or customize the frequency, creation date, and duration of the recurring invoice. Once you've set it up, save, and the invoice will be sent automatically based on your schedule. In the invoice details, you can see a summary of key information like total paid, outstanding amounts, VAT, and the last sent date. Click the More Options icon for additional functions. Copy payment link to share with customers. Write off an invoice when it's deemed uncollectible. This will record an expense for the outstanding amount and mark the invoice as written off. Delete the invoice if it was created in error or is no longer needed. And that's all for this tutorial on invoices. We hope you found it helpful and that you're ready to start creating and managing invoices with Aster. If you have any questions, feedback, or run into issues, reach out to us via email. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out our other tutorials for more tips on making the most of Aster. See you next time.